Army crawling, how they result in missed milestones. Thank you for reposting more videos. However, it's exactly what I said what was going on. Your child can't come to sitting through their back. You know, rolling over was complicated. They can't come to sitting, so they're rolling over to their bellies, and they don't have the air it takes to the space to go into crawling, to all four crawling. And so what you need to work on is pubic bone strike. You need to work on coming to sitting. Those are in the worried parent or the baby support programs that I have. They're not open for sale like a lot of my other courses, because again, they're really key transitional milestones that need to be worked on. And so now you have complications in crawling. I still don't know where your child's vision's at. I don't have a video on that. But what that looks like is what you can imagine. Child's rolling over like this. I have no space, so this is all I can get, and I'm going to army crawl. I can't get off the ground. When a child can come to sitting through their back, they come to sitting. This happens at 6.5 months, and then they go in. It's by 7 months and so forth. They're going into all fours, and they're coming back again, and that's why they're up here, and the vision is up, and that's where they can start crawling. But when you're here, you know what I mean? There's a big difference. And now everybody expects a child to plank or come into sitting this way. This is where, again, my doll's doing it. You risk the W sitting, but two, I still don't have my eye on the prize. All developmental milestones come with vision, and this is where your child is off with the vision, and that's where the complications are coming from. I'm not saying that they have a visual problem, but right now functional vision is not kicking in because you did not go into come into sitting, and that's where the complications are. Thanks.